Let's start preparing some prawn popcorns. For that I took some prawns near about 200 grams. I cleaned it very nicely. I took some garlic cloves and some ginger chunk. I'm directly adding all the things in the mixer. Now some chili flakes. If you don't have chili flakes, you can use chili powder also. Some fresh lemon juice, some soya sauce, some vinegar, and near about half teaspoon of salt. Now blend it all well, make a nice paste. Here I'm adding 1 egg white. Now blend it again and take it out in a bowl. In goes some corn flour, some coriander leaves. Now give it a mix. In the meantime, I have added some oil in a pan and heat it in a medium flame. Now take small portions of it and add directly to the oil. It's so easy. Use 2 spoons and make some small portions and add directly. Keep the flame in medium to high. Repeat the steps. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like the video, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And here we are frying from both sides. See, it's looking gorgeous, the golden red color. Strain it out of that oil. Use a kitchen towel and serve hot with your favorite dip and enjoy.